P is for participation. It is vital that in core PE lessons, of which there are only 1 hour a week, that they need to be used to their full efficiency and potential. Sports such as circuits, Zumba and weightlifting give variety and offer some different sports to the more traditional games. Making pupils work harder in these lessons will utilise what may be their only 1 hour of physical activity an entire week. We are hoping that these sports may inspire those to keep participating in after school in their free hours.
One of our tasks is to inspire Key Stage 4 girls to increase participation in sport. We feel that it would be a good idea to set up a confidence programme for all girls. We will do the 3 selves: self-esteem, self-confidence and self-image. We aim to change mindsets. A lot of problems that affect girls' participation come from their self-esteem and their appearance. Getting sweaty is not cool.
One of our aims is to increase boys' participation, because boys need to participate in sports to improve their health and fitness. We are going to try and make them participate by encouraging them by showing different people of different sizes, showing that they are confident and making the effort to go to the clubs at lunch. We're going to encourage them by giving them self-confidence and self-esteem, and we are going to give them more opportunities using the AstroTurf, because lots of people go on it and different sports to do. Also, we are going to try and get different facilities in our school.
Is to let you participate through your choices. We are planning to use more social media networks to make sure everyone knows about our clubs. We will also be creating surveys to find out what clubs people would like to participate in. We will do this by using Instagram stories and Twitter to create polls.
It's as easy as pie. Participate, inspire, engage.